When Tesla released a dancing update for the Optimus Gen 3 robot instead of a typical technical upgrade, fans were both thrilled and curious. But that excitement quickly led to a big discussion. Two big questions came up. First, why did Tesla choose to show the Gen 3 dancing and not the earlier versions? And second, shouldn't a robot be made to help with work and provide real value, not just dance for fun? The truth is, most people aren't upset that Optimus can't fold laundry yet. What really bothers them is the thought that one day it might be able to do everything, even things that feel very human. Because once a robot becomes useful enough to be part of our daily lives, it raises big questions. What does this mean for my job? My privacy? My sense of who I am? And if a robot can teach itself ballet without direct human help, what else could it learn? Could it figure out empathy? Influence? Independent decision-making? So the real question isn't only about what Optimus will do next, it's also about what direction we humans are heading in. Right now, Optimus is already working inside Tesla's factories. It can lift objects, keep its balance, and recharge on its own. It can walk, learn from mistakes, and improve. In the near future, it might be cleaning homes, taking care of the elderly, or handling chores we never thought could be automated. But more importantly, it could start to blur the line between human and machine. Elon Musk once said, "This isn't even its final form." And many people believe him. That's why the deeper question people are asking isn't really about the robot, it's about us. What kind of humans will we become in a world where robots are not just tools but maybe friends, creators, or even community members? When people saw the video of Optimus dancing, many laughed. Some criticized it. They said, "We don't need a robot that dances. We need one that works." But maybe, just maybe, it's worth taking a moment to think more deeply. Because the dancing wasn't just for show. What matters most is the process behind it. Optimus didn't learn to dance by falling again and again in real life. It learned in a simulated world, repeating movements thousands of times in just a short moment. So when you see Optimus perform, it's already showing its best form. What Tesla is doing with Optimus is a lot like how babies learn, by trial and error, by recognizing patterns and making changes. But in simulation, time is compressed. 1 hour of practice can be swapped for 10,000 hours of virtual learning. The robot you're watching isn't remote-controlled, it's not made with computer animation, and it's not just running through fixed steps. This is real-time, live behavior. According to Tesla's top engineers, Optimus is making full-body movements completely by itself using the same body it trained with in simulations. That's what makes it so special. It doesn't just copy movement. It understands movement. It has learned rhythm, balance, and how to control its own body, just like a human child learning to walk and dance, through thousands of repetitions in a digital environment. And it did all this without falling once in the real world. Still, many wonder, how can we be sure the footage is real and not computer-generated? That's why Tesla goes to great lengths to prove their videos are real and untouched. Because what Optimus is doing marks a big step forward in robotics. It's not just a trick. We're used to seeing robots move in jerky ways, trip, or need help standing. But Optimus looks like it belongs in the same space as us. It moves smoothly, and we can feel its presence. It gains our trust not through explanations but by simply being real in front of us. When Optimus turns, bends, and lifts its leg with control, it's using a breakthrough system for motion control paired with a neural signal processing system. The motion system in Optimus Gen 3 runs on an 8-layer neural network that uses a 4D spatial inertia prediction model. It can handle 2,774 teraflops using an integrated Adreno 750 GPU. This lets the robot calculate the right forces for 28 joint muscles in just 0.4 milliseconds, that's 12 times faster than Gen 2. In the ballet video released on May 16, Optimus pulls off 14 spins with no safety gear. This shows just how precise its balance system is. Tesla's internal files say the robot trains inside a high-level quantum simulation where it can run 84,000 motion scenarios all at once. A method called zero transfer helps it bring those skills into the real world with no extra fine-tuning. This cuts training time by 97% compared to older training methods. In April 2025, MIT's Robotics lab found that Optimus could handle 92% of changes in surface conditions while performing. Also, the Gen 3 chip has one main Cortex-X4 core and 7 support cores. This helps it split tasks among different needs, like seeing at 198.1 frames per second, recognizing objects at 174.5 per second, and managing muscle responses at 26.7 per second. When Optimus dances alongside a virtual reality orchestra, it not only proves it can do many things at once, it also touches people emotionally. That emotional effect is key to Tesla's AI team's recent $2.5 billion crowdfunding push. New data shows that the Optimus dance video got 48 million views in just 72 hours, 3 times more than videos focused only on technical details. A survey by Pew Research found that 62% of Americans think artistic ability is a better sign of AI power than just processing speed. This buzz helped Tesla stock go up 3.2% even after a weak quarterly earnings report. Let's be clear, this wasn't the first time we saw Optimus dance. The idea of Optimus started in 2021, when Elon Musk showed a person in a robot suit dancing on stage. It was funny, not very serious. The first real dancing Optimus video came at the end of 2023 with Gen 2. Then, in October during the CyberCab event, 43 Optimus units were shown, with 5 dancing together in sync live on stage. That was a big moment. People could see the robots moving smoothly and together in the real world. What made this especially impressive was how Tesla trained these moves. Instead of wasting time and risking damage with real-world practice, they used virtual simulations. Optimus trained in digital space thousands of times much faster than it could in real life. This approach shows a major leap in tech, finally making the link between digital training and real-world performance, which is a tough problem in robotics. For a robot that walks on 2 legs to pull off complex moves with no extra tuning is strong evidence that Tesla is on the right path to making these robots practical in the real world. To help Optimus move from ballet to street dance, Tesla engineers used a method called domain randomization. They changed up the simulated world, different floor types, friction levels, weights, to make the robot learn how to handle all kinds of situations. This helps ensure that the things Optimus learns in a simulation stay useful in the real world. You might think it's all just for show, but it's not. The improvements that came from these dance routines directly boost Optimus' abilities. Better balance and smoother walking mean the robot can move across many types of surfaces, key for home use. Nobody wants a robot that trips over itself. The dancing also shows the robot's full body flexibility. It can squat, twist its shoulders, and stretch, movements needed for future tasks like doing chores or helping someone get out of bed. Tesla's top engineer Milan Kovac said the dance routines helped the team spot areas to improve, like motor strength, endurance, and heat control. These are key, because even though robots don't feel tired like humans do, they still need to manage power and heat to work for long periods. So this latest dancing demo is much more than a show. It's a real sign of Optimus getting better and moving closer to being a robot that can actually help people day to day. What does this mean for the next version of Tesla Bot Gen 3? In some recent videos from Tesla, we can see Optimus doing normal chores, watering plants, carrying boxes, cleaning up kitchens, and taking groceries out of a car. Tesla isn't selling Optimus as just a gadget, it's a helpful partner that can safely help with many home tasks, from watching over kids to supporting older adults. What really stands out is that Optimus can hold a natural conversation. It can talk and respond, offering friendship and answers. This shows how deeply it might fit into our daily lives. More than just doing chores, it could keep people company. Still, many people worry about safety. How will it stay clean? For instance, can it wash its hands after taking out trash before touching food, like we do? While we don't know everything, Tesla has shared that the hands are among the most advanced ever made. Human hands have 27 degrees of freedom, Optimus has 22. But what's amazing is how they work, using tendons like human hands and fewer parts that could be damaged by water. The materials are easy to clean and may even kill bacteria. That's why Tesla spent half of its design time on the hands. Another concern is usability. Would you have to code every step? That would be a pain and not very helpful. Luckily, Tesla's AI lets Optimus learn by watching. Elon Musk said just showing the robot a video of a task is enough for it to figure out and copy it. This cuts down on training time and makes the robot more flexible and useful in real time. Even more impressive is how Optimus can understand body language. It can read gestures like pointing, waving, or other signals. This helps people who might not talk easily, making it easier to use and more natural to interact with. Recent jumps in AI have pushed robotics forward, especially human-shaped ones. While AI like ChatGPT can tell you how to do something, it can't do it for you. That's where robots like Optimus come in, bringing AI into the physical world. Elon says Tesla's edge over others is in its brain, the AI that runs the robot. Tesla's skill in building AI for self-driving cars, a kind of wheeled robot, has been adapted into making a robot that walks and lives in our world. With full independence, deep learning, and a user-friendly design, Optimus is built to move through human spaces and take over boring or dangerous tasks. Tesla's partnerships with companies like Microsoft, Nvidia, and Google are helping push AI even further. Nvidia's powerful chips run Tesla's supercomputers, powering the AI brain. And Elon Musk says Tesla's robot AI is already ahead of its rivals. If you're thinking about buying one, Tesla says mass production will start in 2026. Prices are expected to range from $20,000 to $30,000 depending on the model. It might seem pricey now, but Elon believes the cost will drop, making it more affordable for everyday buyers soon. So what big promises has Elon Musk made about the Tesla Bot Gen 3? He's made some bold claims. For example, he thinks that by 2040 there will be more humanoid robots than people. He says every country will have at least one advanced AI, and maybe even more. He's also said that everyone will want their own Optimus robot, possibly creating a 1-to-1 robot-to-human ratio. But since Optimus hasn't been sold to the public yet, it's hard to know how many people will really want one. Musk is confident they'll be sold at a good price, around $20,000 to $30,000, which is about half the cost of a Tesla car. At that price, he says anyone could afford a smart assistant for chores and care. He even says that robots will soon replace humans in many jobs, and AI will be able to do everything a human can within a year or two. By 2028, he believes AI will have the total intelligence of all 8 billion people combined. This suggests a future where people live comfortably while robots do all the work. Kids and elderly people would each have their own robot caregivers. Looking at what Optimus can do today, it's clear there's still time before it becomes fully useful. Tesla only showed its first prototype in 2022, so the project is still young. In the long run, Optimus is meant to do all sorts of helpful things. But when it comes to the dream of millions of these robots worldwide, we have to be honest, it's still far off. No one can say for sure if Tesla will make it happen. Some people are still unsure or even afraid of robots that look like humans, thinking of scary sci-fi stories like The Terminator. Also, not everyone can spend $20,000 on a robot. So while Elon's vision is exciting, it might be a bit too hopeful for now. That said, there's good reason to believe that demand for Optimus will be strong, especially from companies that want to buy in large numbers, like Amazon, Walmart, or PepsiCo. Elon Musk tweeted that Tesla will make a few robots for its own use next year and aims to start big production for businesses by 2026. Tesla currently has about 100,000 employees worldwide, and if even a small portion are replaced by Optimus robots, the savings could be huge. So what do you think? Are you ready to share your world with machines that move like us, learn like us, and maybe one day think like us too? Let us know in the comments. And if you've read or watched this far, congratulations, you're already part of the future. That's all we wanted to share in today's episode. Thanks for watching our video. If you want to discover more cool updates about Tesla EVs or the Tesla bot, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. Also, make sure to subscribe to Auto Intel and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. We really appreciate your support and can't wait to see you in the next video. Okay,